Unit 11. I'm going to have a party. Page 72. Exercise 1. Word power. Months and dates. Part A. Listen and practice the months of the year. Months.
January, February, March, April, May, June,
July, August, September, October, November, December.
Page 72. Exercise 1. Part B. Complete the dates. Then listen and practice.
first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st.
Page 72. Exercise 2. Conversation. Is she going to bake a cake? Listen and practice.
Are you going to do anything exciting this weekend?
Well, I'm going to celebrate my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday. When is it exactly?
It's April 21st, Sunday.
So, what are your plans?
I'm going to go to my friend Rosa's house. She's going to cook a special dinner for me.
Nice. Is Rosa going to bake a birthday cake for you too?
A cake for me? I hope so.
Page 73. Exercise 3. Grammar focus. The future with be going to.
Are you going to do anything this weekend?
Yes, I am. I'm going to celebrate my birthday. No, I'm not. I'm going to stay home.
Is Rosa going to cook dinner for you?
Yes, she is. She's going to cook a special dinner. No, she's not. She's going to order takeout.
Are your friends going to be there?
Yes, they are. They're going to stop by after dinner. No, they're not. They're going to be away all weekend.
Page 73. Exercise 4. Pronunciation. Reduction of going to. Part A. Listen and practice. Notice the reduction of going to gonna.
Are you gonna go to the game?
No, I'm gonna study for a test.
Are you gonna go to a restaurant?
Yes, we're gonna go to Nick's Cafe.
Page 74. Exercise 5. Listening. Holiday plans. Part B. Listen to the interview. What are the people really going to do on Monday? Complete the chart.
Hello, everyone. I'm Jacob with the Real City News website. It's Friday evening, and it's gonna be a long weekend because Monday is a holiday. I'm talking with people waiting for the subway. I'm finding out how they're gonna spend the Monday holiday. Here we go. Hello, what's your name?
It's Morgan.
What are you gonna do on Monday, Morgan? Are you gonna go to the gym?
No, not on Monday. I'm gonna meet a friend. We're gonna run together in the park.
Great. Have fun. And what's your name?
I'm Isaac. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you going home now, Isaac?
No, I'm not. I'm gonna go to a concert with some friends tonight.
That's great. What are you gonna do on Monday? It's a holiday, you know.
Oh, I'm gonna play the drums all day. I need to practice. I really want to be in a band.
Well, good luck with that, Isaac. Hi there. I'm Jacob from Real City News. Can I ask your name?
Sure. I'm Brian.
Are you gonna do anything interesting on Monday, Brian?
I don't think so. I'm going to work at home this weekend and on Monday, too. I have all my work right here in my bag.
I see. So Monday really isn't a holiday for you.
No, it really isn't.
Okay, I have time for one more person.
Oh, hi. I'm Lauren.
What are you gonna do on Monday, Lauren?
I'm gonna play computer games on my laptop.
Alone?
No, not alone. I'm gonna play online. A lot of my friends are gonna play online too.
Sounds like fun.
Page 74. Exercise 7. Snapshot. Listen and practice. Celebrating holidays in the U.S.
New Year's Eve. Valentine's Day. Independence Day. Halloween. Thanksgiving. Christmas.
Page 75. Exercise 8. Conversation. We're going to go dancing. Listen and practice.
So, Jim, do you have any plans for Valentine's Day?
I sure do. I'm gonna take Marissa out for dinner.
Oh, really? Where are you gonna eat?
At the Red Rose. They have great desserts.
Wow, that sounds really nice.
Yeah. How about you? What are you and Matt gonna do?
Well, we're not gonna go to a fancy restaurant. We're gonna go dancing.
Sounds like fun too.
Page 75. Exercise 9. Grammar focus. WH questions with be going to.
What are you going to do for Valentine's Day?
I'm gonna go to a dance club. I'm not gonna go to a restaurant.
How is Allie going to get to the dance club?
She's gonna drive. She's not gonna take the bus.
Where are Jim and his girlfriend going to eat?
They're gonna eat at the Red Rose. They're not gonna eat at Nick's Cafe.
Page 76. Exercise 10. Word power. Let's celebrate. Part A. Listen and practice.
Wear special clothes. Eat special food. Decorate. Give gifts. Play music. Go to a parade. Go on a picnic. Watch fireworks.
Page 77. Exercise 12. Reading. Happy birthday to you.
In this week's blog, we look at some birthday customs around the world. Harry Baker, Perth, Australia. It's my birthday next Wednesday. I'm going to be 10 years old. In my country, we always eat fairy bread on our birthdays. My mom's going to make me a huge plate of fairy bread. It's a snack. We make it with bread, butter, and colorful sugar called hundreds and thousands. Jim Dixon, Montego Bay, Jamaica. I love birthdays. They're a lot of fun. Here in Jamaica, we have an old custom. We like to surprise people on their birthday. Guess what we do? We throw flour at our friends. It's my best friend's birthday tomorrow. I'm gonna go to the store soon. I'm gonna buy a lot of flour to throw at him. Victoria Smith, London, UK. My grandmother is gonna be 100 years old in June. She's very excited because she's gonna get a special letter from the Queen. The Queen sends a letter to every person who reaches 100. It's a tradition that makes people very happy. Jiang Li, Beijing, China. In my country, we celebrate birthdays with a special type of food. Noodles are a sign of long life for us. This year, I'm gonna make some long life noodles for all my friends. We're gonna eat them together and have a great evening.